Stream's coming in.
With the untamed science of entertainment.
We work from a clubhouse in a tree.
Exploring our world and its mysteries. Lifelong learning, discovery. Untamed science. Go adventuring.
Hey, we got something on the stream.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. I was wondering what's in a cell.
All right, everyone to stations. Haley, what do you have?
Well, you know, cells are the smallest part of your body that can carry out the activities of life. Cells need some basics to survive, like food, water, oxygen, and energy.
And different parts of the cell, called organelles, help carry out these needs and more. The cell membrane holds the cell together and regulates materials entering and leaving the cell. Mitochondria are the parts of the cell that produce energy the cell needs to carry out all of its activities. And lysosomes contain enzymes that break down cell wastes into materials the cell can use again. Oh, and there's the nucleus. Inside, there are chromosomes that carry the instructions for the cell. Whoa, so chromosomes control growth and change in the whole body.
Oh, hey, I got something coming in. Hold on a second. What's happening?
Danni. Wake up, Danni.
Where am I?
Go inside the cell, Danni. Inside the cell.
Unidentified body approaching. Request permission to grant access.
Welcome to the cell. I'm the cell membrane. If you want to get in, you gotta go through me. If you want to get out, same deal. Somebody's got to hold this cell together. You want in?
A voice told me to go inside the cell.
Well, usually I only let things in like sugar, water, and oxygen, you know, stuff the cell needs. But you've got a sweet face, dear. Go on in.
Jonas?
A mitochondria! I power this place combining oxygen and food. I am the place for cell respiration. Producing carbon dioxide and water as waste. Without me doing my job, there'd be no energy in this place. See?
Hey there, I'm a lysosome. I pick up after the other organelles. If it weren't for me, this entire cell would be full of old proteins and other trash. No one would be able to function. Not all of this is trash though. Some of it can be recycled and used again.
Welcome to my office, I'm the nucleus, and you can see I have all the instructions for everything that needs to happen in the cell right here in the chromosomes. All 46 of these babies have segments of DNA called genes, each containing information. Every cell in this body has the same set of instructions. Chromosomes control the cell and the whole body. I love my job.
Woo!
Danni, you were talking in your sleep.
I was in the cell, and you were all there. You were the nucleus with chromosomes, and you were supplying the energy, the mitochondria, and you were the cell membrane, and you were the lysosome, cleaning up and recycling stuff.
Danni, why don't you just keep resting?
Okay.
Here's a cool way to see one important function of the cell membrane. Place an egg in vinegar to dissolve away the shell, and in about 24 hours, it'll look like this. It's an egg with a flexible membrane around it. So let's think of this egg as one cell, and the egg membrane around it like the cell's membrane. So let's wash it off with some water here, and then place it in a glass with enough corn syrup over the top of it to cover it, and let's see what happens. Through the process of diffusion, some of the liquid inside the cell passed through the cell membrane and into the corn syrup mixture. In a similar way, the cell membrane regulates what materials pass into and out of the cell. Cool.
And as always, even if you're exploring the smallest thing in the world, never stop exploring your world. Right, Rob?